Stuck finding VPS hosting on Namecheap? I will show you exactly where to click to see plans and pricing in under 2 minutes. So here's the deal. Namecheap has a ton of options on their homepage, and if you have ever tried to find their VPS plans, you know it can feel a bit like a treasure hunt. But it does not have to be. We are going to start right at their homepage, navigate through the hosting menu into VPS, and then we will explore the billing options together so you can see exactly how the pricing changes. By the end, you will know exactly what you are looking at and how to get started. Alright, so first things first, let us go ahead and pull up the Namecheap homepage. This is the main landing page you will see when you visit their site. Now, you might be tempted to scroll around looking for a dedicated VPS section, but do not do that. It is a lot easier than that. Look at the top navigation bar. See the option that says Hosting? Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to everything related to their hosting services. When you hover over it, you will see a drop-down menu appear. Do not get distracted by all the options in there. From that drop-down, you want to click on the option that says VPS Hosting. And just like that, you have landed on the main VPS page. This is where you can see the different plans they offer, from the more basic entry-level ones up to the higher performance ones. Now, here is a really helpful tip that a lot of people miss. Instead of just picking a plan blindly, click on the description for one of the VPS plans. There is a link that says something like, "Get a dedicated slice of a physical server for more speed and less compromise." Clicking that gives you a much better breakdown of what you are actually getting with that particular plan. It helps you understand the specs before you commit. So now that you have seen the plan details, let us talk about the pricing. You'll notice there is a toggle for billing cycles. Click on Monthly. Watch how the price per month updates right in front of you. Now, click on Quarterly. You will see the price drop a little bit because you are committing to 3 months. Click on Quarterly again just to confirm the price stays the same. Then click on Yearly. That is almost always going to show you the lowest monthly rate, which is great if you are ready to commit for the long haul. Finally, just to compare, click on Monthly one more time. It is always a good idea to check that monthly price against the yearly price so you can see exactly how much you are saving by paying up front. It is usually a pretty big difference. Once you have decided on a plan and a billing cycle that works for you, go ahead and click the blue Get Started button. This will take you to the configuration page. From here, you can customize your VPS. You can choose the operating system, the amount of RAM, your disk space, and any add-ons you might need. When you are happy with your configuration, just click on the Next Step button to move forward with your order. And that is it. You have gone from not being able to find the VPS page to being one step away from launching your own server. I hope that walkthrough made the whole process a lot clearer for you.